Hi guys, welcome to this video. I wanted to make a quick video that will show you how you can make money with Amazon Associates at Christmas, and I'll make it a really quick video. I just want to explain why you should, how to do it, what the best way to do it is for the speed to get up and get making money, and to walk you through it. And if you want more help with this, do check out the link below. When you go through the link below, you'll see this page. It's part of a offer I did where you can get some free stuff. It was part of a survey offer I did. So there was a survey before this page, and then you go to the video and it's got some free stuff for you. But the reason I'm putting it in here is because it's specifically if you want to make money at Christmas. I've got a lot of, I'll let you watch the video to see what it's all about and the free stuff and see whether it's for you. But do check that out in the description. If you're watching on YouTube, you'll find the link in the description below. If you're watching on Facebook, you'll find the link in the box. So that's there for you if you want more help with this, and it's in the description below. Okay, so if you want to make money at Christmas with Amazon, the first reason why you should is this. I've brought up the commission rates from Amazon affiliates. So there's a lot of talk about the commission rates, and when you're building sites, you've got luxury, beauty and Amazon coins that pay 10%. And then you've got furniture, home improvement and so on that pay 8%. And then on a sliding scale going down, depending what you promote. So you may think, you know, what's the point in promoting TVs, or what's the point in promoting video games and so on. But bear in mind at Christmas there's so much traffic coming through to Amazon that your main intention should be just to get them through to Amazon, and they're going to do their Christmas shopping. So let me give you an example. Let's say you're promoting a PC component which would only give you 2.5%. When they go through to Amazon around Christmas time, any time from now, people start buying their Christmas presents. And when they go through your link on these, if they buy a PC component, yes, you only get 2.5. But if they do their Christmas shopping, people buy more in one go at Amazon around Christmas. So your main aim with Amazon at Christmas is to send as much traffic as possible and get them through, because they're going to buy more than just one thing. Okay, they're going to buy like their Christmas goods and so on, and that's how you can make money. So that's the first reason to do it. And the other thing I wanted to explain in this video is exactly how to do it. So what I've done is I'm going to be building up this site. This was a site I developed last year, and I didn't add that much to it. You can see here that it's got one, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of content. That's all it's got on this site. And one of the quickest ways that you can get set up, I just want to cover some things that will help you. If you just want to get up and running and making money in the quickest way at Christmas, what you want to do is build a Christmas site. Just grab a domain, okay? And what you want to do is just put the most popular toys and other things, I'll walk you through it in just a second, and other products on there, and just a few pointers. So I won't make this video too long because I have covered this stuff, but you can check out the link below if you want more help with this, and I'll go right into it. I've got a Facebook group going right into it and so on. But the main thing that you need to know is, one, you're going to need real content. So if you look at this for the Harry Potter train, you can see it's not masses and masses of content, but it's a well-written article, and you know, with questions, and it's split up into where to buy and what people are saying and so on. The other thing that you need to know is the SEO. Very, very important. The SEO is make or break with your site. If you're just adding content and you got good content, but you haven't got interlinking, you're not sure on how to do the SEO to get the best benefit, you can get results, but it's not going to work as well. So just a few things for your checklist that you're going to need to know how to do. Number one, you're going to need to know how to write the content properly. If you want to make money, you're better off staying away from article spinners and so on, because you will get a huge advantage. I see this every year, people coming out with sites and just get push button site builders because it's easy to use and you can click a button. But if you want to make money, you're going to need real content, real SEO. And I also recommend, here's a little trick, you want to put like with your products, you want to put a few products of the same thing on. So if you look here, here's the Lego Harry Potter Hogwarts kit, but I also did the Lego Harry Potter Hogwarts Great Hall building kit, and you can see here lol surprise, bigger surprise, and lol surprise glam glitter. There's only 5 pieces of content on this site, but I've done some products that are from the same manufacturer, and they're different toys. Look, lol surprise, bigger surprise, and lol surprise glam glitter series doll, but I've linked together those posts so it becomes far more relevant. So a little trick for you when you're doing your sites is add, like if you were doing Harry Potter, add a few Harry Potter toys on there. If you were doing Stranger Things, for instance, Stranger Things figures, add a few. Don't just do one post, add a few different posts on there for the different toys and link them together, so you're interlinking. And you can get set up with just the cost of a domain, get set up, get a schedule down, and start adding to the site now. And back to your what category you should go in. By all means, start with the higher paid ones, but also bear in mind what you're really going for at Christmas is views. To look, if I don't really care if people are coming through and I'm getting a lot of traffic on this product. I'm not really bothered about the commission rate, because how many people are going to go through to Amazon looking for this toy and be doing their Christmas shopping? So you're getting that full shopping basket amount. I'll just show you here. So this site's just sat there for an entire year and it's still ranking on page 2. 5 pieces of content, there it is. No special backlinks, just good SEO and good content. That's it. I haven't done any social media with the site whatsoever. If we look here, Lego Harry Potter, there it is. Okay, so it's not ranking page 1 of Google because it's sat there a year, but as I start adding to this, it's going to get a lot of traffic. I'll just show you some of the traffic. So here's the stats for that Christmas site, and you can see nothing spectacular off 5 pieces of content, but it's getting ranked for 583 keywords as it stands. And as I add more and link back, same thing, just on this one site, it's a fantastic way. This is brilliant for anyone that wants to make an extra income. This is brilliant if you're getting frustrated and you just want to get something that will start producing you money quickly. This is perfect if you already have Amazon affiliate sites, niche sites out there, but you want to add another string to your bow and make more money around Christmas. Do this. Okay? Only pointers: yes, you need to know how to write content properly. Yes, you need to schedule it down. And yes, you need to know how to do the SEO. If you know how to do those 3 things and you've got a schedule and you work to the plan, it's one of the fastest ways that you can get going. I'll post some more videos on YouTube actually showing this site as it grows. And if you want to join me in the Facebook group, check out that page below. It'll take you through to here and you'll be able to see all of the details, and I'd love to have you with us. But I wanted to do I hope this video has helped you, and I wanted to do a quick one just to give you the main points that you could literally get going on today, whether you join us or not. So good luck with it. Let me know if you need any help. Check out the link below, and I'll do some more videos anyway as I grow that site up and actually show you some of the results from it. But I want you to join me and do this stuff, whether you choose to join me with this offer or whether you choose to go it alone. Let me know how you get on. Let me know your results, because this works really, really well, and it's the best time of year. Don't miss it. Last thing I'll say, because you've got so many events coming up: Halloween, Thanksgiving, Black Friday, January sales, and they're all keywords that you can target as well. So it's the perfect time to go for it. Okay, so good luck. Have a go at that. Check out this page, and I'll speak to you really, really soon. Cheers, guys.